Yes, I would say the crowd exceeds our expectations, but we're ready for it, and we're not going to run out of product.
Last time I waited in line this long was for my draft notice.
Some people spent their New Year's Day buying legal weed at dispensaries in Illinois. Our southern neighbor made marijuana legal on January 1st. A long line formed early at a Mundelein dispensary. The wait there was 4 to 5 hours long. Legal weed in Illinois creates some complications in Wisconsin. In a moment, we'll look at the challenges for law enforcement. But first, the problem for Wisconsin workers and employers who drug test. 12 News reporter Terry Sater asked an expert.
Just crazy that I'm sitting here buying weed.
Even if you use recreational weed legally in Illinois, it doesn't mean you won't get fired in Wisconsin. Milwaukee labor lawyer Summer Mershid.
I think people might be surprised to find that if their company drug tests them, they sure can be disciplined or terminated.
Younger people especially don't understand that it stays in your system. You have to just let them know.
Trucking company owner Pamela Polyak says marijuana can stay in your system for weeks, and federal law requires her to remove a driver who fails a drug test. In addition, new rules require twice as many drivers be randomly tested, and some truck driver applicants can't be hired.
Do you find, do pre-screens show that somebody you really thought was a promising hire?
Absolutely. I've had guys sit in front of me, interview me, and then go right to a drug test and turn out positive for a multitude of things.
Employers are entitled to have a zero tolerance policy, which means no drugs in your system at all.
Beyond commercial drivers, people who work in factories or use other potentially dangerous equipment are often drug tested in Wisconsin.
Use of marijuana is illegal entirely in the state of Wisconsin. So even if you go somewhere and use it legally and you come back and your employer tests you, you can be terminated or disciplined if you've violated a policy that's in place.
Terry joining us now. So Terry, you just told us there how this could affect people's jobs. I know you've also done stories about law enforcement. So tell me about that.
So weed is still illegal in Wisconsin, and the main message that department after department has issued is that just because you go to Illinois where recreational marijuana is now legal doesn't mean you can bring it back to Wisconsin. And that means you can't buy it and bring it back in your trunk or in your car. And you can't bring it back in your body, really, either. If you drive back and you're under the influence of marijuana and you get stopped for whatever reason, you get in an accident, you are going to be held liable for possibly an OWI, operating while intoxicated.
Right, so really nothing's changed in terms of Wisconsin laws. I know people too are kind of saying, oh, maybe they'll be setting up sting operations where they try to bust people as soon as they get over the border, and you asked about that.
Kenosha County Sheriff told me last week that he was not going to run sting operations, but they will be patrolling the interstate, especially 94, like they always do. And they're pretty aggressive down there between Racine and Kenosha counties, looking for people driving fast in the construction zone, breaking the laws in some other ways. If you get stopped and you have weed in your car in addition to one of those other probable cause stops, you're going to be in trouble.
All right, Terry Sater, we appreciate your reporting. More Wisconsin bankers are willing to work with hemp-related businesses. The Wisconsin Bankers Association surveyed its membership last month. The association says 48% of bankers who aren't currently working with hemp-related businesses say they will offer those services in 2020. BizTimes Milwaukee says that's a shift in opinion among bankers since 2018, when the federal Farm Bill established hemp as a legal agricultural commodity. Next, the emerging voting bloc some say could decide the race for president.